Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. And if you've been searching for that perfect pontoon that'll turn some heads, the all-new 2025 Harris 250 Grand Mariner Blacked Out Edition, this is the way to go. To go along with this 25 Grand Mariner, we've got the Mercury 400 horsepower V10. What an absolute beauty. I'm sure you're wondering why the black interior. One, it looks really good, and two, it has cool touch technology. So even in the hot sun, this will be cool to the touch. Another cool option is this pop-up table with cup holders right next to the co-captain's chair. And the co-captain also has cup holders, USB, and wireless charging. And we come back to the single lounger. The backrest moves so you could lay down on this whole thing. What a beautiful place to be. Here at the helm of the Grand Mariner 250, got the beautiful helm seat with the Grand Mariner stitching, the Harris logo. We've got the digital throttle for your 400 horse Merc V10. We've got the twin Simrads touchscreens, along with redundant controls to turn on lights, and then the beautiful Harris steering wheel. Last but not least is this beautiful tower. This is the Harris Power Tower. You can see the lights that will change colors and be powered down by a remote or at the captain's seat. Again, this is the 2025 Harris 250 Grand Mariner. What a beauty. Come out today to take a look.